What's happening?
He's sleeping. When Casey is sleeping, well, he's not really sleeping, but he's doing a weird pose.
What pose?
This. Did Winchester? Where's the Winchester?
Sleeping in the bed like a human.
Like a human. He doesn't have a pillow, though.
He looks comfortable.
I used to do that.
Sleep without a pillow?
Mm-hmm. I used to.
Nice face.
How does that?
Very beautiful.
Hi.
Okay, it's time for bed. This is going to a crazy place, and it's time for bed. Good night.
Good night.
Let me. The extreme relaxation.
Bunny.